would try my RuPaul intro this time. Today I am back. I'm showing you another outfit. Everything I'm wearing is credited in the description box below if you're curious where I got my things. I'm loving this little sheer dress. I love wearing it over like a little mini dress or maybe like a high-waist bikini bottoms and top, depending on if it's cold outside or how much skin I want to show. But I do also like that it kind of like covers up the things that I don't want people to see. I'm also loving these earrings. I actually just randomly got them at Monsterpalooza. And this necklace is by Regal Rose. I actually have a discount code you can use. It's in the description below and save 15% on the Regal Rose website. They don't make their company very easy to say. They sell all kinds of really cool, unique, funky, goth, alt jewelry, but this necklace is really cool. It actually has little rhinestones on it, so it's very sparkly. And you can't go wrong with thigh-high boots, which you've watched my videos before. It's really hard to put on heeled shoes when you don't have anything to brace yourself on, so I'm about to stumble. I know it. I know it's coming. I think one of these days I'm probably gonna like break a toe or sprain, there it is, break my toe or sprain my ankle trying to put these heels on. I guess I could just lean on the couch and you guys probably wouldn't judge me, but I feel like at this point it's like a proof of accomplishment when I can do this. So I put a little sweater over the top just because when I put this outfit on I was going out for the evening and it was a little chilly, but I think it's equally cute without. That's the beauty of a sheer something, is that you can cover it up and it doesn't look quite as see-through, or you can leave it alone and it looks very see-through. So I hope you guys like this outfit. I hope you guys are liking my outfit videos, and be sure to check out my shorts. If you haven't been watching my shorts, I've been posting a lot of like funny comedy things and makeup fails and relatable life stuff. But as always, I appreciate the support and the love, and I will see you guys on the next one.